Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore fascinating English words. I'm your host, Alex, and today we're diving into a particularly intriguing verb, conceal. So, what does it mean to conceal something? Well, simply put, to conceal means to hide something carefully and deliberately, keeping it from being seen or known. It suggests a conscious effort to prevent discovery. Think of it as a more sophisticated way of saying hide. It's not just about something being out of sight, it's about intentionally putting it out of sight. You might conceal your emotions, conceal a weapon, or conceal evidence. It implies an element of secrecy. Now, let's explore some synonyms for conceal. A close synonym is hide, but as we discussed, conceal implies more intention. Other useful synonyms include cover, mask, and disguise. Let's see them in action. She tried to hide her disappointment, but it was obvious. He used a thick layer of makeup to cover the blemish on his face. They tried to mask their true intentions with false smiles. He disguised himself as a security guard to gain access to the building. Notice how each synonym carries a slightly different nuance, but all relate to the idea of preventing something from being seen or known. Now, let's flip the coin and look at some antonyms of conceal. Words that mean the opposite of conceal include reveal, expose, uncover, and disclose. Let's use them in sentences too. The detective worked tirelessly to reveal the truth. The newspaper decided to expose the corruption within the government. The archaeologists uncovered ancient artifacts during the excavation. The company was forced to disclose its financial records. Again, each antonym offers a slightly different perspective, but they all relate to bringing something into the open, making it visible or known. So, how can you use conceal in everyday life? Well, you might say, I had to conceal my excitement when I saw the surprise party. Or, the politician tried to conceal his involvement in the scandal. You could also say, the magician's trick relies on cleverly concealing objects. Consider these common phrases. Someone might say, he's got something to conceal, implying that they're being secretive. Or, she couldn't conceal her anger any longer, meaning her anger was finally visible. Here are a few more example sentences to really solidify your understanding of conceal. The dense fog concealed the ship from view. She carefully concealed the letter under her mattress. The software is designed to conceal sensitive data from unauthorized users. His calm demeanor concealed a deep sense of anxiety. The artist used clever techniques to conceal imperfections in the painting. The soldiers were trained to conceal their positions during combat. The company attempted to conceal the environmental damage caused by its factory. He couldn't conceal the truth any longer, so he confessed everything. The thick foliage concealed the entrance to the secret garden. She used makeup to conceal the dark circles under her eyes. Remember, conceal implies a deliberate act of hiding something. We've looked at its definition, synonyms like hide, cover, mask, and disguise, and antonyms like reveal, expose, uncover, and disclose. We've also seen how conceal is used in everyday conversation and various example sentences. I hope this episode has helped you understand the word conceal and how to use it effectively. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word today. Before we go, I'd like to ask you to please subscribe to the podcast and leave us a review. Your support helps others discover the show. And now, for your homework, try creating your own sentence using the word conceal and share it as a comment under the video. I can't wait to see what you come up with.